Hello friends, Idaho Garden Girl here, and today is Sunday the 14th of May, and it's Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. And as you can see, we are very overcast and cloudy. And we actually had a little tiny bit of rain just now. The nice thing is that the cloud cover keeps it a very, very nice 76 to 78 degrees, which is perfect for gardening. As you know, if you live in this area, it's been very warm the last several days, like 80s, in the low 80s, and really, really hot, almost into the 90s at times. And so it's really nice to have this cooling trend here. I mean, it's not freezing by any means. It's in the 70s, and it's overcast, and it's very, very pleasant for gardening. So with the warm weather, I've been thinking about planting my tomatoes. And here's one of my tomato seedlings. As you can see, the wind is kind of moving it around, but it looks really healthy, and I was thinking about getting some of them planted. And since it's been so warm, you would think that this plant would just take off like a shot, right? But it all depends on how warm the soil is, because when we plant, this part up here at the top, of course, is going to be above ground. But the roots down here are going to be underground, and the roots want to be in some place warm. They want to be warm, cozy, and in a very delicious place. So I was going to see how warm the soil is, despite the fact that it has been quite warm outside. How warm is the soil? Because the soil can be quite cold underneath. So I have two thermometers here, this one here, and then that's a meat thermometer. Now, before I got this one, this is one for a seed bed. Before I got the seed bed thermometer, I always used the meat thermometer, but we're going to compare them both. So let me just get down on my knees here. Okay. So this has been in here for a couple of hours, 2 or 3 hours, and it's hard to see it from this angle. Let's see how warm it is. Okay, so that was down in the ground about 6 inches, I'd say, and it looks like it is right about 60 degrees. Trying to hold it level. Looks like it's about 60 degrees. Let's check the meat thermometer. Well, this is the meat thermometer, and it actually looks like it is, let me see, get that up there. So it's been in the ground, what, about 4 inches, 5 inches maybe? And that looks like it is just under 60 degrees. So all of the books and other resources say that tomatoes will do best if planted when the soil is 60 degrees or more. 60 to 75, I think, is the ideal range. And they say that for peppers to be 65 to 75 degrees. So it might be warm enough to plant a tomato seedling. So the roots are going to be down in a warm, delicious place, warm, cozy, delicious place. But I don't think that it's going to be warm enough to plant the peppers out just yet. So I learned that. Plus, the other thing I learned is that the meat thermometer probably does just as good a job as the soil thermometer. And I got this one for free from the Beef Council. That was it, the Beef Council. Got that one for free. So, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.